Welcome back to our Fluent Ferry. Tell me something about yourself. I am a simple man. I am a rather shy. I am an optimist. I am a real person. I feel happy. I feel shy. I feel hungry. I feel thirsty. I feel sleepy. I feel tired. I feel giddy. I feel feverish. I don't feel like eating anything. I don't feel like talking to anybody. I don't feel like going out. I don't feel like watching TV. My father is very honest. My brother is adamant. My sister is very innocent. My uncle is very hardworking. My friend is always cheerful. My God help you. Can you do it for me? I need a favor. I am watching TV. Change the channel. I am relaxing today. Everything is closed. It's very costly. What's the price of this item? Give me my bill. You are changing more money. Can you deliver this to my place? Do it yourself. It's very far. Clean it properly. Don't make noise. Follow my instruction. Who are you to command me? Who said? Who is that man standing over there? Who are you? Who told you? Who switch off the light? Who called you? Who will help you? Who asked you? Who told you that was not well? Whom do you suspect? Which harm did you come? Which should you ask? Whom should you call? Whom should we call? Whom shall we blame for it? Whom do we believe? Which bag is yours? Which is your hometown? Which color do you like? Which game do you like? Cricket, football? Which food do you like the most? Which language do you speak? Which is your car? Which bus goes to Delhi? Which one do you want? Whose book is this? Whose mistake is it? Whose signature is this? Whose bike is this? Whose mobile is red in color? Whose shirt in the bag? Let us go. Not down. Bring it. Take away. Don't move. Shout up. Don't laugh. Next week. Next month. Be away. Be careful. How long? Which way? Where is? Believe me, be on time. You are late. I know. Question who? Who teacher you English? Answer. This teacher who teaches me English. Question. Whom do you suspect? Answer. Suresh is the person whom do I suspect? Question. Which color do you choose? Answer. I black is the color which is my choice. Question. Whom book are these? Answer. Ramesh is the book. Whose book are these? Think again. Try again. Leave it. Give it up. Forget it. Keep it up. Don't make noise. That's wonderful. Don't blame. You are great. What's a movie? Can you beat? My dear, any news? By chance. It's beautiful. Very handsome. Be quiet. How? Question. How did you get there? Answer. I followed the person who was going there. This was how I got there. Question. How did you escape? Answer. They explained. Question. How did you escape? Answer. They slept noisily when the watchman was sleeping. This was the how they escaped. Question. How did you that? Answer. Your friend told me about that. This is no, I know that. Friends, we have discussed in the fluency tips part 1. Factor affecting fluency have to be delayed with care. Here are here are some more tips to help you improve your skill of communicating in English more fluently. This is my channel Fluently. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and more on more. Okay, goodbye. Bye bye.